guys, I just gotta let you know how excited I'm to have you here. I've been waiting for my auto guys to show up all week long, so it's pretty awesome to have you here. Super stoked about it. And with that being said, guys, I'm extremely excited to be here today to introduce you guys to the newest addition to the M12 family of ratchets, the M12 Fuel Extended Reach Ratchet. This bad boy will be coming in a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 drive. What we did with this product is we used the M12 Fuel family as our baseline and provided that additional reach. So if you want to go over under the hood, there's a couple clear benefits here. So if you're working under hood or undercarriage, if this thing's lifted up or under the dashboard, this tool will give you the ability to get deeper down to this hard to reach fastener with its slim profile head and extended reach. We'll have plenty of time at the end to get more hands-on, so if you don't get a shot of it, we'll have time for it. All right, so with this tool, you also get the added benefit of keeping your hand a little bit away from those components and protecting yourself from that knuckle busting torque. So we added that additional reach to this tool, but to get that reach, we didn't sacrifice any torque or any durability. So as you can see on the wall behind me, with the 3/8 drive, we have 55 foot-pounds of output, and with the 1/4 inch, we're having 40 foot-pounds of output. That should sound very familiar to you guys, because that's the same torque output on our Fuel family of ratchets. And like I said, we didn't sacrifice durability at all to get to this extended reach. We're still using all the premium components that you'll find in our Fuel family of ratchets, like the investment cast steel yoke housing, designing these tools to be extremely durable, because you guys beat the hell out of these things day in and day out. And we expect it to, and we expect them to survive. This guy and the 3/8 will be launching October 1st, just like the die grinder, coming in a bare tool and a 1 battery kit configuration, and we'll also have accessory boots to purchase as well.
When's the 1/4 coming out?
The 1/4 is coming out at the same time as the 3/8 on October 1st. Yes, exactly. Boots will come out at the same time as well. So the M12 Fuel Extended Reach Ratchets are the newest innovative solution on our M12 family of ratchets, making this the perfect addition to any technician's tool chest. It's going to kill it out there, guys. I'm real excited for this one.
Milwaukee didn't quite have the pricing figured out yet, but they suspect it's going to be similar to the pricing of the original ratchets, maybe a little bit more. All the main internal parts of the ratchet were made out of steel, no cheap plastic parts in this ratchet. So they had a car here that we could test it out on, and we were just ripping bolts off left and right with it, just seeing what the ratchet could do, sticking it in the tight spots. With the few minutes that we had with the ratchet, we really tried to put it through our paces and really get the feel of it, and that thing handled everything I threw at it. And as you can see, that long neck will allow you to get in there and get in those much tighter areas, a bigger advantage over the old ratchet. And it was pretty much unanimous. All of us automotive technicians loved the way it felt. We all pretty much approved of it, and all of us are looking forward to getting these in the toolbox. Travis from Working Class Garage was really putting the ratchet through its paces. Looked like he was trying to break bolts with it. And Brian from Ford Tech Make You Loco was putting it through its paces, trying to get it in those tight areas and seeing what that ratchet could do for him. For more Milwaukee tool review videos and what's coming out new, make sure you're subscribed and click the bell notification. And click the links in the cards for more additional videos. Thank you for watching. What do you think, Travis?
I think that would be a very nice addition to the toolbox. Excited about it for sure.